morning, sewists. I hope that you're having a lovely Tuesday. I'm glad you came back to hang out with me today. And today I want to talk about something new that someone had suggested to me, because it is a beautiful day here in North Carolina and I am enjoying the sound of all the birds and the sound of nature. I'm Nye with Ellie and Mac. Let's talk. This product that I haven't opened yet, because I'm going to open it with you because we're friends, it touts that it can sew and knit with a straight stitch and not pop. This product is called EloFlex. It's actually pronounced EloFlex, but I'm gonna allow myself to be imperfect because we're friends. It's a thread. Now I got 2 boxes here and I purchased these from Amazon. Oh, I got 2 red boxes. Okay, so I have a lot. It's all red. I didn't realize that each box actually came with 3. I thought I was just getting 1 thread, but how about that? I got a whole bunch. So I got a whole bunch of thread. Okay. And it basically says stretch thread. Now this is not like your woolly nylon, y'all. Woolly nylon is generally used in like your serger or your cover stitch. It says it's perfect for knitwear, leotards, gym and sportswear, coswear, and stretch denim. So I'm very excited about this. It says it sews soft, secure, stretchable seams. Say it with me for the people in the back. Soft, secure, stretchable seams. I hope it does, because if it doesn't, guess what, Nancy? It's going in a naughty spot. And I really don't want to have a naughty spot today because it's so nice outside. Each thread roll comes with 225 yards of thread. It's in a pack of 3. I will list the price, probably here, so that you can see how much it cost me on Amazon to buy the 3 spools of thread, which come in the same color. Like, it comes in, I believe, 17 different colors. However, because I purchased red, I got a whole bunch of red. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my fingers up. It does break, but let's give it a try, shall we? Now it says that you want to use a size 11 needle, 11-14. So we'll see. I don't know, that's in Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. Okay, I can speak Spanish, but I don't speak sewing Spanish. Like, I don't know any words that are related to sewing. If you know how it says, what does it say? Aguille. Somebody please post in the comments what aguille aguja means. Please help a girl out, right? We're friends. Come on now, you gotta help me out. I don't know what that means. I could ask my husband, but then he's just gonna laugh at me because I supposedly have been learning Spanish for years, and yet we won't go there. Okay, so what you can do is you can choose to use it in your bobbin and your thread holder, but you don't have to use it in both unless you like. I am going to use it in both just because I don't feel like it's balanced if the thread in my bobbin is different. Actually, I have to go in the house and get a bobbin because I forgot. I'll be right back.
A few minutes later.
I have a pair of my TSM leggings here that is made with their fabrics. It's very sparkly. It's really nice. Anyway, these leggings, I for some reason did not put my serger in the right settings, and so all you can see is thread when you pull this, and it's really hideous. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the crotch seam and re-sew it with pants. Anyways, and re-sew it with the stretch thread. You know it hurts me to take the seam out of these pants, right? Because I'm lazy and I don't want to redo it. But I will do it for you because we're friends. Let's get this sewn up. I'm going to go ahead and lower the stitch length just a tad to 3.0. Wish me luck. Okay, so see, you know, right there, it's a straight stitch. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. So, thumbs up. So as you can see, I actually did try on the leggings. I did some squats. I'm sitting in them now and I don't hear any ripping going on right now. But I'm gonna continue to wear these leggings for the rest of the day and see how they fare. I don't see any reason not to give this thread a 5 out of 5 because, I mean, it's pretty stretchy. You just have to try it out to see if it's something that you will trust. Coats & Clark is a pretty reputable thread creator, maker, manufacturer, and so I don't see any reason not to trust their word on it. But I mean, I tried it, I like it, I have a whole ton of them. And select a couple of you from the comments and see if I can send you one since I have so many. So how'd you feel about that video? I hope you liked it. I hope that you come back again because I always have content like this for Ellie and Mac. I love doing this for you all and I love spending time with you all on my Tuesdays. So if you do like it, please go ahead and comment below, like, subscribe. I'll leave a couple of videos at the end so that you can watch some more of my content or any of the content that's on Ellie and Mac channel, because we do this just for you and we hope that you go out every week and